Hi everybody, it's Positive Bluebird. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, subscription button, and the like button. Let's get crafting. So I have this Thanksgiving block that I put out every year that says bless all who gather here. And I thought about using it all year long with a different theme. So we're going to create one. Let's get started. First, take any designer paper or plain colored paper as you see here, trace around the block, and then cut it out. And if it doesn't come out perfect because you have fibro or arthritis like I do, that's okay. We're going to build a border around it. Okay, with the extra scrap paper that I found, I'm going to cut these pieces to size. And then I'm just going to line them up against the blue, glue them into place, and trim. And I don't know about you, but any type of Elmer's glue or white glue does make the paper a little bit ridgy and bumpy, but we'll figure it out later. So now I'm going to cut this extra little piece because the bottom strip came out a little crooked. So we're going to even it out a little bit. We're just going to get creative here. And then I wrote, peace among all who enter here. I usually recycle practically everything in the entire world. So I found this piece of cellophane and we're going to glue it on the entire piece of paper to protect it. And then the larger flaps of plastic, I'm just going to tuck in the back and tape. Nobody's going to see that anyway. I hot glued a button first before putting the cellophane on top. And then on the outside of the cellophane, I'm going to glue two more pieces because there is a corner piece right here from this ribbon that seemed to be popping up a little bit under the cellophane, and it was really bothering me. So we're going to glue these pieces on the corner. And there's what it looks like. So I'm going to cut a bunch of other designer paper the same size, and I'm going to create some more for the holidays, such as Christmas, maybe some for Easter, you never know. And I came up with this strip on the back side. That way it just slips right over the block. There you go, just like that. Leave me a comment down below what you thought of this project. This is pretty simple that anybody in the entire family can create all season long. So have fun, guys. It's that time of year, and I've got so much creativity coming through like you wouldn't believe. Okay, I need to calm down. Alright guys, it's Whatever Wednesday, and I will see you guys in the coming days. Peace out and stay positive, everyone.